Hello everybody, welcome to the second video of paid project story. From now on, I just want to show you how I coded that project and how I extracted something like 4,000 data. I mean the whole database from Construct Online, a French website, an e-commerce website about constructions. He sells constructions tools, if I'm not mistaken. And that's it. And if you haven't watched the first video, don't miss that because that was a wonderful story. How to take a project, real world project, and how you can earn money and how you can handle the payment and so on, okay? But for this video and next videos, I just want to show you how I coded that project. I mean, how I coded and handled the pagination, how I use Beautifulsoup, okay? But for this video, I just want to show you how to handle pagination in websites, okay? When you want to scrape data. And the customer wanted me to scrape all available products based on their categories, okay? And as you can see, it is the main URL for that website that customer gave me, and it has something like 15 main category, okay? Forget about the subcategories, okay? I want to take all of the categories, so it means that we have subcategories as well, okay? So today for pagination, I mean, if we want to extract data from this website, we need to go to each categories. I mean, we need to open its link. So each category has a unique link. Okay, first of all, then in each link, we can see that we have some products here, and they are, they are for the first category. And if you open the second category, we have some other products, and also if you open the third categories, we have other products as well. And in each category, we need to go to next page, okay? And we need to paginate, okay? So first of all, we need to extract all available pages for each category. I mean, the thing that I've done, I mean, that we want to do for this video, I mean, in this video, we want to first take the categories name and also categories URL and all available pages. I mean, we need to handle the pagination, the most important part in web scraping, not the most important one, but I think it's necessary to know how to paginate in websites, okay, when you want to scrape data from them. And that's it. And we just want to use Beautifulsoup and request for this project, and it's not gonna be a big deal, and it is practical, okay? And that's it. So if you're ready, let's get started. So let's create our Python file. First of all, pagination.py. I want to use request. What's happening here? Okay. I want to use requests and also Beautifulsoup. You know how to install them, okay? If you don't know, just let me in comment below and I will send a pip install. Okay, everything. Yeah, it's quite simple. And also I want to use JSON. Okay, yeah. And as always, we have a main URL. Okay, then we need to handle the response. So let's check out the website. Oh my god. Where is the website? Customer online. Let me bring it here. Yeah, it's a French website. So it is the main URL. Okay, and we want to extract categories, as I said. Let me just put the link here. We need to send a GET request, and what we need to scrape, we need to first scrape categories name and also their URL, as I said. So let me open the inspect, hover on it, and you can see that all data that we want are located in some li tag with category name for their class, and there is a tag right after those li for each category, and we can just simply take the href. Simple. And where is the text? And if you just open the a tag, you can see that we have the text here. It's with some extra and weird white space, but no worries. I will show you how you can handle that in Beautifulsoup. I mean, using Beautifulsoup. So let's send a GET request and prepare our code. So response is equal to, we need to send a GET request first, then scrape a data request get to this URL. Okay. Another thing that I want to talk about is the headers that we sent normally. Okay. When you, when you send a GET request normally to each website in using your browser, the browser automatically send some real request headers, okay, such as accept and cookies, maybe referrer, also user agent, the most important one. So that we are going to mimic this structure like a real browser. That's why I'm gonna use my custom headers, okay, to not we don't want to get blocked, okay, from the website. Okay, it just has a user agent and some common headers, okay, that we normally send. And I want to say that, okay, headers is equal to headers. Just today I have a problem with my internet connection. Hopefully I don't, I don't want to encounter any errors, or I don't want to wait too long. Okay, so let me just print the response that takes to see that we are in a good place or not. Python pagination.py, it sends a GET request to the main URL, and I just by running response.txt, we take all available data in its source. Okay, if we open this, by running this code, we should take the page source. Okay, ooh, too many information. Okay, thanks to Beautifulsoup. Then we need to use our Beautifulsoup, okay, and find those li tags. Okay, simple. Find all available a tag which are located inside li tag with this class name category. Okay, just let me check the code. Oh my god, internet is really annoying. What is happening? So let me just use my, continue our coding to save more time. Okay, I don't want to skip this video. Okay, soup is equal to, we need to convert the data that we take into a format that Beautifulsoup understands. Beautifulsoup response.txt, exactly the page source, and we want to convert it into html.parser. What's happening here? Okay, I just changed my internet and I use the VPN, but internet is still annoying, but at least it works. Okay, so we have the page content right now, and now we need to convert our data into a format that Beautifulsoup can perform query on it. Okay, as always, as we do. So we want to convert response.text into HTML parser. Okay, and then the process is quite simple. We need to take all a tag inside li tag with this class name category, as you can see in the left side. We can take all data like that. I want to say that, okay, all categories are equal to soup.select. I want to use selectors. You can use find all as well, but I want to just run some complex queries. I want to say that we have a li tag with this class. We want its a tag, but I found that there are other elements that are using these, identification. What kind of identification? Oh my god, thanks to my English language. Identification. Oh yeah, identification. Okay, my bad. So you need to use I want to use this data depth is equal to 0 attribute, okay, to be more specific, okay, to only take these a tags. Okay, and that's it. So now we have the categories. If we just print the categories, let me just print the very first one. Okay, let me clear my terminal. Clear. Okay, just give me the first category name and also its a tag. Thanks to internet connection. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. You can see that we have a text, but it was too much. I mean, too information. Why? Yeah, because first we just print this. Okay. We need to remove this print. And yeah, so now we just can create a loop and say that for category in categories. Okay. What we want to extract, we want to extract first of all the name of that category, which can simply get by using get text. Okay, it has some white space there, and that's why I'm using strip to true. And also, where is the href? Href is equal to category href. Beautifulsoup is really crazy. I have a free web scraping course for Beautifulsoup for beginners, so if you haven't watched that, just check out that course. And yeah, that's it. So we said that okay, we have all a tag right now, just give me its text. Okay, and also its href. Amazing. Okay, so let me just save this data. Okay, it is the data that we have. I want to use dictionary because at the end I want to save it into a JSON format, and we can say that data with this name. Okay, it creates a new value in this dictionary with the name, which is a category name, and we say that it is equal to another dictionary. It is a URL for its label and its value. I mean I want to save the href for this label, and also we are creating a label with this value and key and value, I think, in the dictionary. Okay, and that's it. So here, let me just use my prepared code for saving data into JSON. Okay, yeah, it's quite simple. It's the most common way to save something into JSON. Okay, in Python. If you have any question about this, you can ask and I will answer in comment. But yeah, anyway, so now we just want to save the data in all URLs dot JSON. Here, let me clear my terminal and run this code. Bum. Internet is killing me. Okay, thanks. So as you can see, yeah, we are in a good place. We just took all categories. Ete, hibe. Oh, I'm just speaking Fransa. France. Bonjour. Vous vous appelez comment? Okay, anyway, and I don't know French at all. But yeah, we just extracted these categories with their URLs. For example, if we just take the very first one, it is the URL of the first category. Okay. Okay. I should learn French maybe. So yeah. So next thing is to, let me just show you that when we extract some data, these categories, you can see that we have these weird characters, okay, right before the category's name. Okay, and I don't know why, but the method that I used was to just give me everything after the, just skip the first three characters. Okay, let me clear my terminal and run this code, and bump. Hello. Okay, thank you so much. So yeah, that's it. We just decided the name and also the URLs. So let's work on, the pagination. All right, guys, let's go to the next step. We want to generate pages links. Okay, we want to handle pagination. Okay, and for that, I don't want to send requests and extract the category names and URLs each time because I have an awful internet connection at the moment. And instead, I wanna just read the data that we extracted right now. Okay, and it is the same. Okay, I just want to load and read this data once again. Okay, instead of sending GET requests and parsing the data to save more time right now. And if you can, to show you how it works, you can simply say that for category and category data in data.items, it can work as a dictionary when we use json.load, and let me just print categories, which gives us the names. Okay, the names, I mean here. Okay, so it's not a big deal, no worries. And what about category data? If we just print the category data, what we take these interesting format, and we can simply say that, okay, it's the URL. Just give me the URL. Okay, nice. We are faster. Okay, and so now what we need to do, let's first see how we can take, I mean, we need those URLs. Okay, let's see how we can take the pagination. For example, if we click on the first categories href and if we go down and hover on these 12, you can see that there are some li tags here. There are some li tags, and the very last one, I mean, not last one, okay, the last one, the last one is this next button. Okay, but here, if we use this attribute for the a tag, I mean no follow, it is the next. Okay, for its rel, we say that there is a li which has an a tag inside it with this attribute and also with this class. Okay, we can simply take this take its text, which is 12, which is all available pages for each category. Okay, nice. So then we need to just create a loop after that. And if you, for example, go to the next page, and if you see the main URL, you can see this format, which is great. Okay, so now we just need to start. Okay, so we need to send a get request. Response is equal to request that get, maybe. What is the URL? The URL is category URL. Ouch. Yeah, nice. And also I want to use headers. Okay, header, always use headers, your custom headers. Okay, and it is a response. Let me just, we need to convert it into soup because we want to perform some queries. Okay, category queries. Okay, what we want to perform, we want to first, we need to look for that page num page maybe. Okay, so we say num pages is equal to soup dot select. I want to perform select. What we want to select, there was a li tag and there was a tag. Let me see exactly what we want. Okay, so there's a with this class. Let me copy the class name, JS search link. Nice. And you should put a dot if you want to use class, and for attribute you need to use this structure. I want to say that its rel is to no follow. Okay, weird name, rel no follow. Okay, and to show how it works, I want to show you because as you can see, it gives us this one, also the 1, 2, and also 3, and also 12. Okay, because as you can see, this not this one, it is for previous page. For example, this one has no follow with that JS search link. We do not want this. And also for the 2 and also for the 3, we want to take the last one. Okay, so let me just print the num pages maybe, and break. Okay, break the code because I don't want to show all available, show all 17 categories. Okay, and as you can see, we just took the 12 in the last a tag, and here using Python, thanks to Python, we say that, okay, just give me the last one, and let me just here extract its text. Okay, simple, to save more time. Okay, strip is equal to true, and now it should give us only 12, which is great. Don't forget, it is in a string format. Okay, so if you want to create a loop based on this number, we need to convert it into integer, and that's it. So let me do, we do not need this print, and we simply, we can simply say that num pages is equal to num page that get text. So now we have the num page. There is another thing that you have to be careful. Always check these I mean the potential, okay? You have to, for example, for Ede, I don't know what I'm talking about. For Ede, we do not have any pages. There is only one page. How to do that, okay? Our script gives an error, okay? The simplest way to handle this is to, okay, we need to, I mean, here we need to create a loop in the next step, but right before that, I want to say that try to what? Num page is equal to integer of num page, okay? And if there is no num page, for example, for that category, just set num pages as 1, okay? It means that there is only one pages for that category, okay? There is only one page, not pages, okay? English grammar, okay? So yeah, now we have a num page, okay? So let me just print num pages each time to show you. Now, no, let me just create our code. I mean, create a full URL for pagination for the very first category and then break the code. And how we can do that? We can say that, okay, we want a for loop, and for pg in the range of, now it is in integer format, we can say that, okay, from 1 to num page, okay, num pages plus 1, okay? So if you want to create a loop, it just gives us, for example, if you use 15, it go through 14, okay? Python, it's not a Python class. Range 1 to num pages plus 1, and that's it. Here we have a string, okay? What is the string? The string is exactly this format. We want to increase, I mean, if we go to the next page, hello, it's me. Okay, here. We just had to increase this number. I want to use f string, and instead of 2 in each loop, please put pg. Nice. And it is a string, okay? And for example, we can say that full URL maybe is equal to the category data URL plus a string. Nice. And please print the full URL for me, because I want to just show this to my wonderful audience, you, okay? It just take my time, but I believe you understand this code way more easier. And let me just put a breakpoint here, and I don't want to run this for all categories, for only the first categories, and it should gives us 12 pages, okay? So you know, if we go to each page, it opens the categories, I mean href for the page, for example 4 is, if you can see, yeah, nice. Oh, so what we can do, we do not want this, and also we do not want these. We can, instead of that, we want to first create an empty list, okay? And then each time we just need to append this full URL to it, okay? And we say pages.append full URL. Nice. And at the end, we just need to update our data, okay? Here, I mean, our data that we already had. We can say data, okay, with that category name. For example, each time it gives us the category, we want to create a new label in it, which is pagination, okay? And what is its data? Its data is exactly this list, which has these, for example, 12 pages, 12 URLs for that category, okay? And it goes to the next category, okay? Because we are using a for loop. And just let me here say that print, for example, I just want to say that category, this category is done. So, okay, I just want to know where we are. And at the end, I just want to save this data once again, okay? I don't want to print anything. And let me just use URLs too, because we may encounter errors. Just let me check the code. Everything sounds reasonable and fine. So let me create my terminal and run this code. Nice. Okay, first category is done. Second category is done. Nice. There are maybe there are 17 categories. you can simply use a scrapey and handle everything in your project. Okay, I just want to show you how you can code, how you can go through it step by step, because many of you may be beginners. Okay, so I just want you to understand better. That's why I separated my code and use this maybe boring tutorial. Okay, I mean structure. Nice. So let's check out all URLs too. Look at it. Interesting. Okay, guys, we are done for this video. And in the next video, we just need to send a GET request to each URL. Okay. And then we need to implement something to scrape product links and scrape everything that we want from each product. Okay, 4,000 requests. Okay, it's gonna be really practical and cool. So don't miss my next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next video too. And also, if you learned something from me from this video, don't forget to like this video. It really helps me to create more content. Okay, each time that I see your comments, your feedbacks, your likes, I just get motivated to create more. Okay, believe me. So good luck.